So guys, this is the 10th VST plugins in my channel, and I have to say this is extremely powerful, and it's like the best of out of all of them. Okay, let's get started. So let me show you the process of where to download it. The link will be in the description like always, and you know what, it comes with 1.6 gigs, so you can expect some heavy sounds. And as you can see, it includes over 2000 samples for 25 instruments. Alright, so I've downloaded this 32-bit VST for my 64-bit system, and you can go ahead and download anyone which is required by your system. Alright, so yep, after you have downloaded, you have to extract it. Let me just extract it for you so that you know that it doesn't contain a virus or something like that. And I might have to fast forward it, and here I go. So it's almost done, and depending on your system it might take a few seconds or minutes. Mine is a potato, and as you can see, I have pretty outdated games right here. This baby can handle GTA 5 and stuff. Anyway, so it has done extraction, and here we have our folder, and you have the DLL file and the instrument. Now you just have to copy and paste it on your VST plugin directory, just like that. Copy it and paste it. Just copy the entire folder from here, okay, and paste it on your VST plugins. Alright guys, so before playing the sounds, let me tell you that some of the sounds are really gonna sound weird. It's just because it's not matching up with the instruments, but it doesn't mean that the sounds are bad, okay. If it's not working with the one sound, it's gonna work with another one. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope it helps, and please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Peace guys, I'm out.
I gave you my heart.